Alright, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add glow effect to your realistic cycle renders in Blender, like this one. Alright, so just to give you a quick input as to what I mean by glow effect and cycles. So let's just go to our render properties really quick. Let's switch back from cycles to Eevee. Now already, I'm not going to be showing you how to get this done, but I'm using this as an example. So I have this animation thing that I was doing for a client. And so basically, as you can see here, if we turn on and off the bloom effect, off, you don't have that glow effect. If you turn it on, you'll have this bloom glow effect on your object, which in my opinion, it looks very cool. And it's a really cool effect to add to your renders. But if you go to cycles, which will make your render or object look a whole lot more appealing and realistic, you won't get that glow effect. So as you can see, it looks a whole lot more realistic, it looks a whole lot cooler, but you won't get this glow effect. And there's no settings down here that will allow you to toggle in or check it in and add the effect to it. But I'm gonna show you how to do that really quick in just a couple seconds here in Blender. Alright, so this is my frame right here. All you want to do is go to your output properties and just name it whatever you want to name it. For the render properties, you want to go ahead and do 10 seconds. Leave everything at the default. You want to go ahead and render. Of course, you gotta somehow add some lights that will shine into your object and make it glow. Once you do that, you want to go to render image, and we're just gonna render an image really quick in 10 seconds. Low resolution, just to get the effect going in Blender really quick. So again, it's just going up 10 seconds and then it'll stop. Now as you can see here, I already have something going on, and that's only because I did this already for this animation. But if we go to compositing, this is basically the setting I got going on right now. If you guys want to go ahead and copy this just how it is, then go ahead, but I'm gonna show you how to actually add them really quick. So let's get rid of everything really quick. We're gonna go ahead, delete the viewer. We're gonna delete this point right here, and we're gonna connect these. So by default, you should have this thing going on right now, just how it is. So to actually go ahead and add the effect, all you gotta do is Shift A. We're gonna go ahead and add the viewer node. So just Shift A, search viewer, enter. Click and leave it there. Shift A, we're gonna add the glare effect. And again, what you want to do really quick is drop this right in the middle. Shift right click and drag it to add a cut right here. And we're gonna plug in this image right here to this right there. And now you'll be able to actually see what it is that you're doing to your render. Once you have this, you want to go ahead and play with the fog. So you'll have this fog effect that will add a glow effect to your render. And you can play with the mix, bring it up, bring it down. There you don't have no glow at all, but you can bring it up, get more of a really cool glow. The threshold, bring it up, bring it down. You can play with your things. You also have streaks, which will add like stars effect to it. The color mod, you can bring it up like this. You can also do the ghost. Ghost is pretty cool. Color mod, bring it up, bring it down. You can play with the colors like that. Bring this up, you'll have a really strong ghost effect. Bring it down, threshold up and down. Again, you can play with this. And so basically, once you actually come up with the settings that you like, all you gotta do is go back to layout. Leave the composition of it just how it is. Go back to layout really quick, and you're gonna go ahead, do your render properties, your output, the render settings. Go ahead and make sure it's high resolution. Render one image. Make sure you actually like how the image looks. And all you gotta do is to render out the animation. Make sure, of course, you're gonna do a FMPEG video for the encoding. You're gonna do MPEG 4, and then just render animation. And it's just gonna render one image by at a time, and at the end you're just gonna have the animation just like this. Let me show you really quick what I mean by that. So let's go ahead and search up the let's show this animation really quick. So when you click when you click on play over here and you take a look, I have this nice effect animation with the glow and cycles. It looks very realistic. That's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like down below. Comment what you want to see next. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Turn on that bell notification button for more future content. And I'm out.